Hi guys, so it is the day that I am moving to Dublin. I just put my stuff in the boot. I've actually got stuff in these two suitcases. I'm taking an extra suitcase in case I need to like lighten the load in those ones because they're quite heavy, and I don't know what the limit is for your luggage on Emirates. But yeah, I'm flying with Emirates. I'm going to go to Dubai, so I'm going to go from Durban to Dubai and then straight to Dublin. So yeah, let's go.
Where is that? Are you wearing?
It's a video.
It's a video?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are my suitcases, right? These have stuff in them and they're big and heavy. And then this is empty and that is empty, just to be safe because my luggage has a lot of stuff in it. So I'm currently in line waiting to drop off my luggage and check into my second flight because I can check into that one online. Yeah, there's quite a bit of people in front of me. Which sucks because I hate waiting. And we still need to have breakfast before I actually leave, so I'm hoping this whole process can happen quickly. Yeah, checked in online. Yeah. On the other side. Thank you. So we're standing in the wrong line because I already checked in online. I actually have to go to a different contact. Have to find it. Mommy. Have to hide my bag from these people so they don't see I have 3 pieces for my hand luggage.
She's on the way to Dublin. We're going to miss her. I know that someday we are going to visit.
Yeah, you have to come and visit me. This is a much better line. This is a much better line. That other one was long. I don't know why people don't check in online. Currently in line to board the plane. Pretty excited. And now it's starting to feel super real. I'm currently on the plane and we're ready to take off. So I'll probably vlog again when I get to Dubai and show you guys what it's like here. Hey guys, so I just landed in Dubai and honestly that flight was amazing. It didn't feel like 8 hours at all. I think I went through like 3 movies and then we landed. I didn't even feel like, you know that moment when the plane lands and the tires hit the ground? Like I didn't feel that at all. So it was a really good flight. I have a 7-hour layover at this airport, so I'm gonna go look around find a place to lay my head because it's currently 1 in the morning in Dubai, and my flight is at 7:15, so that's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. So yeah, I'm gonna go and like look around and explore the airport because it looks pretty big, and it looks like there's a lot of stuff like all around. So yeah, I'll show you guys that. Like I've mentioned a lot, I'm finding in the lounge, and I'm maybe gonna get something to eat. Don't think I'm gonna sleep. I'll watch some stuff just to keep myself occupied because my flight is in about 4 hours, 4.5 hours. It should be over. So yeah, I'm just happy to be chilling. I got some gin and some 7-Up and my food. I just got on the second flight and we are gonna take. Hey guys, so I've just landed in Dublin and I have picked up all my suitcases after waiting for like a while. So I initially started with 2 suitcases and I got to the airport, weighed them, they were way too heavy to take them on the plane, so I had to take out stuff from each of the 2 suitcases and put them in the third one. So I've got my 3 suitcases and then on top is my hand luggage. And now I'm gonna go try and find a taxi to get me to my place. Hopefully it's not gonna cost an arm and a leg. They did say this place is not too far from, well, the airport isn't too far from the place that I'm staying at, so wish me luck. But the people here do seem really friendly, so I think it'll work. So I'm currently standing in line to catch a taxi, which just makes life so much easier because you don't have to actually hail one for yourself. There's a station in there, everyone forms a line, and then you go in order and you get into a taxi, and it's superb because I don't need to ask anyone any questions. Literally just follow the signs and gotcha. So I'll do that. Yeah. I just want to get to my place now because I'm really tired. I just want to sit down for a bit.
What part of South Africa are you from?
Durban.
Durban?
Yeah. It's down the coast.
You can change the weather from Durban to Dublin.
Yeah, because it's actually quite warm there, like all year round. Even during winter, it's still pretty warm.
Yeah.
So it's just like, I'm just glad I came now because it's summer here, so it's exactly.
And this is summer, you know, we don't get great summers.
Yeah.
We don't get very cold winters. Our winters aren't that bad, you know.
Yeah.
In Dublin, the East Coast is not that bad, you know. We want summer that we go to Spain, Croatia,
Yeah.
Greek islands, you know. It's just nice temperature. And if you're Irish, you like it, you know, because we don't really get, like, you get severe weathers in Britain and in Germany and that, you know, we don't, you know.
Yeah. Guys, I just got the keys to my temporary apartment. I've got this place for 2 weeks and I just took a little tour around it with the manager who just shows me around, and oh my gosh, the little apartment is beautiful. Like, I wish I could afford something like this for myself here in Dublin, but let me tell you, rental in this city is expensive. Like the cab driver was telling me that there's a couple that moved from London to Dublin because of the whole Brexit thing, and he was saying how the couple is basically paying more for rent here than they were for a mortgage in London, which I think is like really crazy. But anyways, let me show you guys the apartment because I'm sure you guys want to see it. Cleaning stuff, an ironing board, etc. And there's my luggage. So this here is the living room. And this is the kitchen, which I think is absolutely stunning because the sink is black and then it's got this white marble, which looks so beautiful. And then I've got a balcony, which I haven't been on. There is no view because literally all you see is like buildings and more buildings and construction work. And then in here we've got the bathroom, which again is also really cute. And it's got a shower, which I love because I'm not a bath person. And then lastly is the bedroom. Again, literally the view is just some buildings. But it's cool, I love the place. I'm really happy with it. And I'm probably going to get into bed now. I'm not unpacking anything because I'm only here for 2 weeks, so there's really no point.